it says here in this Mishnah, it's because they started making small sins, they thought it was not a big deal, and next thing you know, they got used to it. They got used to sinning. Every sin became not a big deal, not a big deal, not a big deal, not a big deal, and eventually you have a serious problem. Now the chidush today, oh Hashem, I tell you this chidush, I always ask myself this question. You know, in the times of the Bet HaMikdash, when somebody made a sin on purpose, let's say for example, if somebody violated Shabbat on purpose, it's Gzar Din Mavet, death penalty. There's no like, oh no, try again next week. If you had witnesses, they saw you, you were warned, and you still violated Shabbat, it's death penalty. There's no like, oh, you have a good family, let's get, no, nothing. They kill you. But if you did an accidental, you forgot it was Shabbat, you forgot you're not allowed to do something, accident, they said, okay, no problem, bring a korban. Bring a korban to the Bet HaMikdash, sacrifice to the Bet HaMikdash, and you're fine. Now, Chazal explains to us, why does Hashem need your cow? Why does Hashem need your cow? Hashem eats cows. Why does he need your cow? And Chazal explains that in reality, when you see the korban, when you see them slaughter the cow, it should create some serious fear of the Almighty for you, because in essence, you know that it's supposed to be you that's killed and slaughtered, not the cow. You understand? But I still always ask myself, until today, Baruch Hashem, with your merit, I actually had the ability to, Hashem gave me this chidush. I try to understand, listen, if it's a sin, punish the guy. If it's shogeg, don't punish him. What are you making the guy spend $10,000 on a cow for? It's either a sin or it's not a sin. If it's accidental, chalas, leave him alone. Okay, he knows, he said, Chatanu, Avinu, Pashanu, he's finished, he's sorry, he cried. Why does he have to bring a cow? Why does he have to bring a cow, a chicken, a this, a dove? Leave the dove alone, miskena. Leave the cow alone. What, the cow sinned? He sinned. You know, a lot of people, they take these chickens, and on Yom Kippur, during this month, they do kaparot. I sin, they give all the sins to the chicken. If the chicken knew Hebrew, the chicken said, I didn't sin, you sinned. Kill you, why are you killing me? You should die, not me, I didn't make your sins. And then people want to give these chickens to poor people. Why are you giving all your sins to poor people? You eat the chicken. Chicken didn't sin, you sinned. So now, I ask the question, why is it that you're making the guy spend $10,000 on a korban? He made an accidental sin. Big deal. Leave him alone. This is the chidush. Chidush is, here we learn in this Mishnah, 2,500 years ago, it says you should make a mitzvah. Even if it's a small one, make the mitzvah. Why? Because mitzvah goeret mitzvah. Ve'avera goeret avera. You should make the mitzvah no matter how big the mitzvah is. Why? Because one mitzvah leads to another mitzvah. And you should run away from a sin because one sin leads to another sin. So now you already made a sin. Shogeg, you lit the light accidentally in Shamayim. You lit the light. You're not allowed to light the light on Shabbat. You're not allowed to turn the fire on Shabbat. It's not allowed. It's accidental though. So they say, okay, it's accidental. You're not going to be killed, but you have to bring korban. But either way in Shamayim, it's still counted as a sin where it's going to lead to another sin. You have now changed the cheshbon, the accounting in Shamayim. Your last action was a sin, which means the Satan has you on his, right there. Got him. I got him. He's right there. He's got you. You made the sin. You're right there. So they say, bring the korban right away. Why? Break the chain, because the korban is a mitzvah. The korban is a mitzvah. The korban is going to save you so before you make your next sin. Bring the korban, make a mitzvah, so the next thing you're going to do is a mitzvah. And mitzvah, goeret mitzvah. Mitzvah leads to another mitzvah. That's why you think Hashem needs your cow or your chicken. No, they're trying to get you. You have to do mitzvah right away before you become kofer gamur.